Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to show you how to join the Fisch Discord server so that you can hang out with the community and stay updated on all things on Fisch. So let's get started. For that you can head over to Discord. First of all, let me just go to Discord. You can open up the application or go to the browser and log in into your account if you're not logged in. For now we're going to go ahead and open up Discord here. After you open up Discord, you can go over and you need to have the invitation link. You can directly go to the invitation link, or once you're in Discord, from the left hand side, you can scroll down and select this option for adding a server. And there you can select this option of joining a server. And here you can just go ahead and type in Fisch in this invite link and click on join server. Once you do so, the server page opens up on the screen and you will be directed towards the server. Sometimes some servers might ask you to verify your email or accept the server rules, and once you've done that, you will be accessing to all the public channels. So for this server as well, you just need to complete up this 3-step process. Scroll down and you can get started. Click on this option to check out your community. And there you'll be finding different communities that you can join. Once you do so, on the next step, you need to verify your account. So select this option called verify account. After you select it up, you can update your roles and everything. Select update my roles and you can choose a role for yourself. You can verify your Roblox account and link your account as well. Once you complete it up, you just need to read the FAQ, and there you will be completing and you will be getting a pop-up saying that you have completed the process. And once done, as I said, you will be having access to all of the channel available. You can look out for those channels, and now you can chat, participate in events, and explore everything the Fisch server has to offer, and that's it. And you're part of Fisch Discord community. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox and Discord tutorials.